strong interest how to get our institution to become a world ranking institutions, that is within 100. And MHRD came out with a plan, invited proposals where they defined what the concept of the Institute of Eminence, which they would like to grant to the selected number of institutions in India, okay, and invited proposals. And more than 120 institutions submitted their applications for the state of Institute of Eminence. Okay, these institutions included both the state universities, the central universities, IITs, and the private institutions. Okay, and in the 2017, our Anna University team worked very hard. They made a proposal, okay, submitted a proposal, both academic proposal and the financial component, okay, in the 2017. At that time, the university did not have a vice chancellor. Then the conveners committee, headed by the Sunil Palifal, who also happened to be the secretary for higher education, principal secretary at that time. So the combination of the higher education department and the university team, all the deans and the professors, etc. department, they submitted a proposal which included the present strength of the Anna University, existing strength, and how they would want to take it to the next higher level, okay, and what is the kind of a financial resources they have, and they submitted a proposal officially, okay. It was transmitted to the Minister of Higher Education by, this is the document which was signed by the at the time by the Principal Secretary of Higher Education. So this is the document submitted officially through the approval of the government of Tamil Nadu. I understand that is through the Higher Education Department at that time. Okay, this he forwarded this document to the MHRD. Okay, so it has gone through official channel what the university submitted the proposal. Okay, this is one. Now, before moving into the more details, this Institute of Eminence is just a mega research funding scheme. This will not alter the administrative structure of the institution. This is under this scheme, MHRD is supposed to grant 1,000 crores over a period of 5 years to these selected institutions when they select, and this money could be utilized to enhance that research infrastructure, teaching infrastructure, learning infrastructure, innovation, to start new disciplinary sciences, and fund the fellowship to the faculty training and the students to travel abroad, to get the people from abroad, okay, so that effectively whatever we are doing it until now, that level of competence in the university in teaching, learning, research, innovation, and starting a new cutting edge and enhancing the capabilities of our faculty members and the students, and getting the foreign faculty from abroad, okay, so they can teach, they can guide. So this is the whole objective, and no change in the administrative structure. So this money to be utilized only for that purpose, okay, university. Now we submitted the proposal sometime after I joined in 2018.